Hey guys, Mike Castaneda here again for Green Mountain Grills, and today we're going to make a beautiful marinated pork tenderloin with a nice mango salsa on top. We're just going to kind of start off by taking some of this excess stuff here, a little bit of the junk off, and then I'm going to kind of cut up the end a little bit. And one beautiful tip I have, a lot of people want to know how I feel about marinades, and to me there's nothing better than taking your favorite rub, adding a little bit of oil to it, and just letting it sit for a couple hours or overnight. So we're going to go ahead and get that started, get it on the grill, and then we're going to start off with our mango salsa as well. Go ahead and mix that up a little bit. Right now we've got our grill preheating to about 400 degrees. Be a nice temperature for us with as thin as this tenderloin is. Thing in there. Move a little bit of air here. All right, sit off this side. We're in the fridge, let it marinate, like I said, up to about an hour, up to overnight, and we'll go ahead and get started on this mango salsa. Mango smells fantastic. Just gonna get some little dice here. Awesome. Little rough chopped cilantro. Season. Mix. All right, this thing was on the grill about 400 degrees for roughly 20 minutes. Got up to an internal temperature 155, 160. That's kind of the mark you're looking for, but keep in mind you're gonna have 5 to 10 degrees of carryover heat. So we're gonna go ahead and slice this up, top it with our salsa, maybe a little finishing salt, and then we're good to go. It's the beauty of Green Mountain, it's perfect every time. Plate out here, still pretty hot. Nice finish. All right guys, there you have it. It's our perfect marinated pork tenderloin.